Welcome to Fatorda once again. We are meeting every year. We are also going forward every year. We are growing in size. We are having a better program, and we do hope that to preserve the tradition of Goa, we have started new things like we have started a mini float with a message for Goa's conservation, message about the life of Madhav Gadgil, who's expired recently, who was an environmentalist, talking about saving the Western Ghats, basically about taking Goa forward at the same time preserving Goa for the next generation. So whilst doing this, we have seen to it that every aspect of Goan culture is protected, is preserved and promoted, and that has been always our focus. So in keeping with that, we try to see that we don't do what the government does. The government had a food and cultural festival. They wore a pagdi and they had bel puri. So we said no bel puri and no pagdi here. He said here it is only Goan food, Goan bands and no Hindi. So this is our Goinkar point. And we are very clear, people like Mr. Keith Vaz who represent the Indian diaspora, who have shown themselves in countries abroad. We need guidance for dual citizenship. This is what we are talking about. Many Goans, when he said how many are from London, so many, raised their hands. So many of us have availed of the benefits of the Portuguese citizenship. Now we should take them back. We can do a mother of all deals with the European Union, with Mr. Costa. Then we can also have dual citizenship. Modi should do it for us. Otherwise, we'll show how it can be done. Let's get the BJP out. Let's form a government which is pro-Goan. And to form such a government, we have brought our allies here. Our ally is the Congress party. It is represented here by the desk in charge, Mr. Manik Rao Thakre, and a young colleague who happens to be from Fatorda, the Youth Congress elected president, not selected. So this is a party which has done a lot for Goa. Of late, the party is going a little slow. It has become Sushagat. We want them to go a little fast because we expect everything to happen in this year. Whether Goa, we can make Goa or break Goa, everything will happen this year. So the Congress has to be on its toes, start moving, going forward. We are with them. We have given them many proposals. We need a quick decision. And if this decision is made, we can be sure that we will save Goa for posterity and take Goa forward. So thank you very much. I don't want to give you a long speech. I was basically extending it because I heard Mr. Amit Patkar was on the way, but I think he's a little too late, and the next band is a very good band which is going to come in. So let's call it a day, and thank you very much for your enthusiasm. I do hope everything this year, the mistakes we did last year, like a small counter, a bigger bar, all these things have been now set straight. Dala mare sarke dala mare atha. Serve bhi jata hai mare sagle. Jevan bare ha. आणि कितें जाय नवें कितें जाय फुडल्या वर्सा कितें जाय फुडल्या वर्सा कितें जाय सरकार जाय काय कार्निवाल हाजे परस व्हडलो जाय सरकार जाय मरे सरकार जावंकूच जाय आतां परसेप्ट म्हणटा तेंचे सनबर्न धांवडायले तो गोंयचो कार्निवाल परसेप्ट करता तुमकां खबर आहा हे वर्साचो कार्निवाल गोंयकारांनी करूंक ना ह्या वर्साचो कार्निवाल परसेप्ट करता म्हणजे सनबर्नाचो कार्निवाल जाल्लो आहा हो पळय अमित पाटकर पळय काय बरो जॉब करता असो जर तो जॉब करपाक लागलो जाल्यार गोंय साल्वार जावंक शकता मातसो सुशेगाद जाता म्हणून हो प्रॉब्लेम जाता पण आयलो तो बरो आयला चकचकीत आयला हिरो जावन आयिल्लो आहा कार्निवालाच्या मुडान आयिल्लो आहा हांवें तितलो टायम पास केल्लो ताका उलोवंक दिवपाक आनी ताजो कमिटमेंट आनी आमचे पक्षाचो आनी आमचे अलायन्साचो कमिटमेंट गोंयांत बदल हाडपाक हें सांगपाक ताका चान्स दिवपा खातीर हांवें टायम पास केल्लो देव बरें करूं.